Good morning guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first enroll the list of all apps and select camera. And once you're in photo mode, you will notice timer icon at the top of the list. So smoothly marker and pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay, and then you can smoothly grab a picture with picked delay. As you can see, wakey. As you can see, you will be able to see the countdown on the screen and then the picture will be grabbed. Then, when you wish to deactivate timer, mark it again and switch it off. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.